Good morning, children. Now, today in this session, I am going to explain you with the unsaturated compound, and it is the continuation of saturated compound which we have already studied under the names of alkenes. So, this unsaturated compound is being divided into two types that I have already mentioned. That was alkenes and alkynes. Okay. Now, as I have said that each one is having different formula. So here alkenes, that means we will talk about double bond having the general formula H2CnH2n. Afterwards, we will talk about alkynes. Now here also, just like that of alkenes, now we will talk about alkenes. When n is equal to 1, when we will take n is equal to as 1, then we will put this value of n in the expression. That means C1 then H2 into 1. Then what will the formula comes? CH2. Now children, as I have explained in the offline classes to you that methane, that is carbon, it will not show two bond. With the normal electronic configuration that we have studied, general electronic configuration, if you write, we will find that carbon contains 2 electrons. But after understanding the concept, you can come to know that carbon is having 4 unpaired electrons. That is 1 in s orbital and 3 in p orbitals. So in this formula, when we put the number of n is equal to 1, then you get the formula CH2. That means this is wrong. And there is compound having showing double bond will never start with one carbon. Keep this in mind, children. Very important thing. Compound having double as well as triple bond you will come across. They will never have one carbon because the double bond has to be formed between the two carbons. Okay. So this n is equal to 1 is not acceptable. You will not get the compound form. Now n is equal to 2. When we will talk about n is equal to 2, then you will see C2 H2 into 2. That means C2H4. This is another compound that is having 2 carbon. First carbon containing compound containing 1 carbon does not show the having any properties of alkenes. But carbon containing compound containing 2 carbon can show alkene, as you will see that 2 carbon there is 2 bond can be written and each is having 1 hydrogen can be written here and so on. Structure, we will talk about the structure little later. But now I am going to tell you about the name of this compound. Okay. So name, as you have studied in alkane, here also you will see the compounds containing 2 carbon, you will write down it. Okay, it will be there. Now suffix, the suffix which we will use for alkene will be ene. Okay, the suffix used will be ene, E-N-E. So when 2 carbon is there, initially you will write down it, and then suffix that you will use here will ethene. Okay, so first member of alkene is ethene. Okay, is it clear, children? Not the methane. Methane is not possible. So first member is ethene. Now when n is equal to 3, you will see C3H2 into 3. Compound will be C3H6. C3H6 is the compound. Now with the number of carbon, you can again start naming it. When carbon is 3, you call it as prop. Okay, prop, and suffix that you will use will be here ene. So the compound will be propene. Okay, the compound name will be propene. Just like that in alkene you have done ethane, propane. Now here will be propene. Okay. Similarly, n is equal to 4. You will get C4 H2 into 4. That means C4 and H8. Now with 4 carbon, you will name the compound as but. And suffix used will be ene. The compound name will be butene. So first member of compound of alkene will be ethene, then propene, and then butene. Then with 5 carbon you will get pentene, then hexene, heptene with 7 carbon, octene with 8 carbons, nonene with 9 carbon, decene with 10 carbons. Okay children, I hope that you have understood about alkenes. It is just similar to that of alkanes, but there is difference in the general formula. This formula you have to keep it in mind. You have to keep in mind that alkene shows double bond as well as the suffix. These 3 points, that's very important to know what are alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Now I will teach you about alkynes. Now with alkynes we will write down another formula. Alkyne formula is CN H2N minus 2. Okay, the CnH2n minus 2 is the general formula for alkynes. Alkynes will be represented by triple bond. You will see that when we learn about the structures, you will find that these alkynes are having triple bonds between carbon to carbon. Okay, and the suffix used here will be "-ine". "-ine" is the suffix that is used for naming the compounds. Here also we will start with the same content, that is n is equal to 1 when n is equal to 1. So using this formula for alkyne, C1, we are putting the value of n here, C1 H2 into 1 minus 2. Okay, so what you will get? You will get C1 and H will be 2 ones are 2, okay, minus 2. So you will get here H will be there 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 minus 2. There will be then H will be also equal to 0 or 1. Nothing is there. No H will be 2 minus 2 will be 0, 1 will be there. So in alkynes also, that I have told you earlier also, this structure is not at all possible, because double bond has to be created, the triple bond should be there between the 2 carbon. So first member in alkynes is also not possible. It is not at all possible. Now we will talk our first compound with when n is equal to 2. Using n is equal to 2, that means C2 H2 into 2 minus 2. So what you will get? Carbon is 2 here. H is 2, 2 is a 4. 4 minus 2, that is 2. H is equal to 2. You will get, this is the first member of alkyne series. Okay, and it is known, also known, its common name is acetylene. Okay, acetylene, you can call it acetylene. This is the first member of alkyne series. But the IUPAC name, the other name which we call is having the 2 carbon. So you will write down "eth", and the suffix used will be, this is the common name children. Okay, this is the common name. And the other name, that IUPAC name, that we will discuss again in my another video, but commonly what you call it, that we say having the 2 carbon. When 2 carbon, we will call this "eth", and suffix used will be here will be "-ine". So it is ethyne. Its name is ethyne, and ethyne is the first member of alkyne series. Ethyne is the first member of alkyne series. Keep this in mind. Now when we talk about n is equal to 3, then C3 H2 into 3 minus 2. So formula you will get will be C3, then 3 into 2, 3 2 is a 6. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Then H4. Here again 3 carbon. So what I have taught you about, when it is 3 carbon, that means you will use prop, and suffix used will be "-ine". Propyne. Okay, the suffix used will be propyne. Similarly, I will show it here. When n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, then C4 H2 into 4 minus 2. You will get C4, 4 2 is 8 minus 2 6. Having 4 carbon, you will write down but. Here you will write down but, and suffix will be "-ine". Butane. Okay children. Now similarly, when we will use 5 carbon, you will call it as pentyne. 6 carbon, hexyne. But one thing you will come across, very important thing to note, that the three things here, if I will write down alkanes also to make you understand. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. You will find one important difference between alkane, alkene and alkyne. Each is having 2 hydrogen less. You will come across, you will see that you are having 2 hydrogen less. Okay. That you will see in alkane ethane C2H6. This is ethane with 2 carbon. Okay, this is ethane with 2 carbon. Then ethene was that. I will rub this board and show it to you again once again, children. I will show it to once again. This is ethane. When we write out alkane, ethane, C2H6. Then ethene. This is C2H4. Then ethyne. It is C2H2. Okay, children. So you can see the difference. 6, 4 and 2. From each you will find 2 hydrogen atoms are less. I hope that this part up till alkane, alkene and alkyne you have understood very nicely. In next video I will show you how to write down the formula of these compounds. Along with that, what is the homologous series, that we will discuss. Little bit I will tell you about functional group. Okay, though it is not in the course, but slight information I will give you what is functional group and how it is been added to the compound. Okay, otherwise up till homologous series.